Congratulations! So finally you decided to do your brows and level up your life. Most of us don't realize how perfect brows have a magical effect of making us appear more elegant, more confident, and of course more beautiful, and you're going to love how it changes your life. Now let me explain you how it is priced. The price depends on two factors. One being the experience of the artist working on you, second being the type of procedure. So we have three levels of artists at Browmaster Studio: artists, senior artist, and grandmasters. Artists have up to 2 years of experience, senior artists have up to 4 years of experience, and grandmasters have 5+ years of experience. All our artists are highly trained and provide international level of sophisticated work. You can ask for reference images to have an idea of their work. Now the second pricing factor is the type of procedure. The right procedure for you depends on your skin type, your personal preference, the finish style of the brows, and how long you want your brows to last. First up, we have the basic microbleeding and nanobleeding, wherein we create hair-like strokes with the help of hand tool manually, and the life of this procedure is the least. Secondly, we have ombre powder brows, wherein we give shading effect all over your brows, which looks quite like your makeup pencil. In third place, we have combination brows, which combines best of both worlds. The strokes of microbleeding and the shading of ombre brows combined together strategically as per your requirement. So obviously this technique is more popular, gives quite a natural and fuller effect. And now finally, fourth, we have our star technique, which is also the signature technique of Browmaster. It's called as nano brows, also known as nano machine hair strokes. Just like combination brows, it combines the benefit of strokes and shading. But since the strokes are created with a nano machine, the strokes look more natural and have a longer life. Nano brows also has the least amount of discomfort during the procedure. Also, do not confuse it with nanobleeding. The lasting of the brows depends on a lot of factors, from your skin type to your lifestyle, and also depends on the kind of technique that you choose, with the bleeding technique lasting the least and the machine techniques lasting the most. Feeling confused which brow type, which artist to go for? Don't worry. Just share a picture of your natural brows without any makeup with our consultant, and share some reference images of the brows you like, and they'll advise you the best procedure to suit your needs. So why should you choose Browmaster Studios when there are so many cheaper options available? So Browmasters is known for creating ultra natural looking brows with least amount of discomfort during the procedure, and your brows will last you a long time. As Browmaster, the name itself suggests, we are hyper focused at brow perfection. For last 5 years, we have been perfecting 5 to 10 brows every day in the studio. I am Ashmi, the founder of the studio. I am amongst the first few Indians to start an exclusive brow studio in 2018. I am internationally certified permanent makeup trainer by some of the finest academies of Europe and US. So all the artists at Browmaster Studio are mentored by me. At Browmasters, we observe the highest international standards of methodology, hygiene, and safety. That makes us the most trusted brand of permanent makeup in India. So it's no wonder that some of the biggest Indian celebrities happen to be our clients. So you've made a fantastic choice by connecting with us, and we hope to see you soon at our studio to create your perfect brows.